Hey everyone, Merry Christmas. Today, I want to share with you a terrifying Christmas story that still haunts me to this day. It's a story that I found on Reddit, but trust me, it feels way too real. Christmas is supposed to be a time of joy and peace, right? Well, sometimes things aren't as peaceful as they seem, especially when you're in the wrong place at the wrong time. This story happened 4 years ago. It was Christmas night, and my family and I had just finished a nice dinner at a fancy restaurant. Everyone else was exhausted, but I wasn't feeling tired, so the long 45-minute drive home seemed like it would never end. And to make matters worse, my little sister kept complaining about how her friend didn't get her anything for Christmas. About 20 minutes into the drive, my dad decided to stop at a gas station to pick up some cigarettes. My mom, brother, and sister all got out to use the restroom, but I stayed in the car since I had just gone before we left. At first, I didn't think much of it, but then things got strange. Time passed, and I checked the clock on the dashboard. 10 minutes had gone by, and I couldn't understand why they were taking so long. When I looked out the window, that's when I saw him. A man, standing by our car. I hadn't noticed him before, but now he was just staring at me. His face was hard to make out, as he was in the shadows, but I could see enough to know that something wasn't right. He wasn't moving, just watching. I froze. My heart started racing as he began to walk towards the car. I didn't know how to react, but just then, my dad returned with the rest of the family. I felt relieved. They didn't even notice the man, but I couldn't stop looking at him. He was still staring, but this time, his expression had changed. He looked angry, almost annoyed. We drove off and I tried to forget about it, but the feeling of that man watching us wouldn't leave my mind. Later that night, after everyone else had gone to bed, I was in my room scrolling through YouTube when I suddenly heard a loud bang against my window. I jumped up thinking it was just a bird, but when I looked outside, my heart stopped. There he was again, the same man from the gas station. This time, though, when our eyes met, he smiled. But it wasn't a friendly smile. It was more of a twisted, creepy grin. I screamed so loud that my dad came running down the stairs, asking what was going on. I explained everything to him, and he quickly grabbed a baseball bat. After calling the police, they arrived within 10 minutes and found the man hiding in our shed. He was arrested right away, and that was the last I ever saw of him. But the creepiest part? The next day, we noticed that the handle of our back door had been damaged, like someone had tried to break in. If he had gotten inside, things could have turned out much worse. This story is a reminder that even during the holiday season, we need to stay aware of our surroundings. Sometimes, what seems like a peaceful moment can turn into something terrifying. If you ever feel like something's off, trust your instincts. Don't ignore your gut feelings. Always stay alert, and don't be afraid to call for help when you need it. That was my Christmas horror story, and it still sends shivers down my spine. Have you ever had a creepy experience like this during the holidays? Or maybe you've encountered someone who made you feel uneasy? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to hear more stories like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss out on future videos.